Hi everyone, my name is Amir Bukhan from Microsoft Australia, and I'm here with our partners Synnex and the ASI showcasing the latest device from the Surface team called the Surface Hub 2S. This is an amazing device. It's really trying to enable collaboration for the modern workplace. It's a 50-inch device and it's got a 4+K screen and a 4K camera. The device is actually modular, so we can remove the camera, the pens, and the compute module in the back as well. We're exclusively working with Steelcase currently with this stand, and we are also working with APC Schneider to build a battery to actually make this device truly mobile, which is exciting. So at the moment, we're here on a Teams call. As you can see, there's a couple of camera feeds happening from around the stand. But what I wanted to quickly show you is the whiteboard. So a couple of things that's really important. So this device actually has 10 points of touch, but we tend to use the pen more than anything else because it's a better experience. You can erase content using the back of the pen, so creating that natural interaction. We have colored pens because we know that you retain information much better when you're actually using colored pens as well, but we've got some other capabilities like being able to use a roller to draw straight lines. A couple other capabilities which is neat is ink to shape. If it works, circle. You can also do ink to table, and it'll move as you add content. One of the cool things is you can take photos of butcher's paper or whiteboards, bring them in here, and then be able to change the content into something that's actually be able to be used on this whiteboard. So you can then delete bits of content instead of the whole thing. So that's it. And basically on that, you can find more information at a couple of websites, asi.com.au, synnex.com.au, and microsoft.com. Thank you.